Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make homemade banana pudding. First, you're going to need 2 cups of milk. You're also going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So now you're just going to boil this on medium heat, stirring it the whole time until it boils. Alright, so in another bowl, you're going to combine 5 egg yolks, just the egg yolks, and a half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you want to whisk it together. Alright, so this is how it's going to look once you whisk those things together. Alright, so now you're going to take the milk mixture and you're going to add it to the egg mixture. So once you add it to the mixture, to the egg mixture, now you want to stir it really well. Alright, so now that you mixed all that together, now you're going to put it back in the same pot that you heated up the milk in, and you're going to heat it at medium heat and stirring it the whole entire time until it thickens up. Alright, so I've been stirring it for about 5 minutes already, and as you can see, it's already thick. I'm going to do it a little bit longer, and then I'm going to turn off the stove and move it to the back burner. Alright, so now I'm transferring back the pudding into the clear bowl. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in there because the mixture is clumpy, so the butter helps it unclump, if that's even a word. But yeah, you just want to mix in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Just make sure the butter melts completely. And then you want to cover it with cling wrap. When you cover it with cling wrap, you want to make sure that the cling wrap is directly on the pudding. Alright, so once it's completely covered in the cling wrap, you want to put it in the refrigerator for as long as it takes to get cold. You want it to be cold. Okay, so now after the mixture is cold, you want to take a cup of heavy whipping cream and you want to mix that on medium to high heat with a mixer until it gets thick. So now that it's thick, now it's ready to be added into the pudding. Alright, so now that that's ready, I'm going to mix the whipped cream into the pudding. About maybe a half a cup into that pudding. And I'm just going to mix it with the spatula so that it doesn't water out. Okay, so once that's done, now you're going to take vanilla wafers and you're going to layer the dish with the vanilla wafers. Okay, so now you're going to take pudding and put it on top of the vanilla wafers. Okay, so now that that's done, now you're going to add bananas. You're going to need about 2 to 3 real sweet bananas, as sweet as you can get them. And you're just going to cover the whole, top of the pudding, and then you're going to repeat the steps. So since my bowl is small that I was setting it up in, it's really a lot of pudding on there, but that's okay. I try to use as much of the mixture as I could. And now I'm adding whipped cream on top to finish it off. So then now I just crumbled up some of the vanilla wafers and I just threw it on top just to make it look pretty. And the banana pudding is completely done. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.